What are you doing, Em? What are you doing, Em?
And the U.S. now having to go play a more aggressive style. They were trying to close out that game.
Now the USA have to go out and try and win it all over again. USA have never lost the game.
Don't stop halfway. You're almost there.
Scored first, and that's happened
You're almost there,
27
sweetie.
times.
You're almost there.
But Japan have pulled it back.
Huh?
And it's time
You're almost there, sweetie. Come on. Halfway there. Just halfway there. You can do it.
to get there.
Strongest baby alive.
Coming up to 7 minutes remaining. Plus anything
You could
they
do it.
adds on. No further goals. We will go to 15 minutes each way of extra time. Good surging run from midfield. Can they find the finish? Disappointing in the end.
You're moving around a lot.
Japan
You over it? You're over it? Okay.
worked an opportunity and took it.
You could do it, honey. You could do it. You could do it. Yeah! Good girl! Good girl!